Welcome back. In the previous module, we looked at PRINCE2 themes in brief. In this module, we are going to understand the business case theme in detail. Business case theme. The purpose of business case theme is to establish a mechanism to judge whether the project is desirable, viable and achievable as a means to support the decisions making in its continued investment for organization. So, desirable refers to the cost, benefit and risk balances, whereas viable implies that project can deliver the products. Achievable means the project can deliver the benefits required for the users. Business case. Business case is used to document the justifications for undertaking a project based on estimated costs against anticipated benefits to be gained and offset by any associated risks. Business case captures the reason and justification for undertaking the project. It supports continued business justification principle. So, drives the decision making process. If justification is no longer viable, project should be stopped. Business case is reviewed, updated and approved throughout the project life cycle, and mainly it happens at the beginning and end of the stage. Business case is developed according to the organization standards. Focus in totality of the business changes and the justification needed for the project to remain viable, desirable and achievable. Business cases are created while organizations are making the decisions for investment, which is essential to ascertain what benefits can be gained and when, with what degree of risk, from what level of investment, how well project contributes to corporate objectives. While creating business case, one should keep in mind that business case should clearly articulate the output, the outcome and benefits of the project. Outputs are the one which are the results, which is exactly an output, product, service or a results which happens in a project. These outputs create the benefits and will also have a disbenefits. So, it is always desirable to have a benefits which is more than comparing to disbenefits. The output refers to those outputs in terms of product, in terms of services, in terms of results of a project. For example, output can be an HR application used by an organization for capturing attendance of an employees. Outcome would be the speed or the integration of those attendance in one repository, which is basically distributed in the absence of that HR applications. Another outcome would be employees who are on the move, who need not come to office on a regular basis, working from a outside site, customer site for example. So, those can also be captured without any issue. Benefits would be it is ease of consolidation as well as may result in improvement in productivity. So, as I mentioned, every output which creates the benefit also comes with disbenefits as well. Organization should ensure the disbenefits are understood and impact of those disbenefits are eliminated or reduced. As per PRINCE2, the minimum requirements for the business case themes are creation and maintenance of business justifications for the project throughout the project life cycle, review and updating the business justification in response to the decisions and events, defining the management actions that will put in place to ensure project's outcomes are achieved, defining and documenting roles and responsibilities for the business case and benefits management, produce and maintain the management products, that is business case and benefits management approach. Every business case should capture an executive summary related to the case considered based on the scenarios, the reasons for taking up that particular project, business options, expected benefits, expected disbenefits, time scales, costs, investment appraisals, risk associated with the decision, recommendations and conclusion. Business cases are created during pre-project stage as well as initiation stage of the project. During the initiation stage of the project, an outline business case is created and verified before initiating a project. A detailed business case is created during the initiation stage of the project and verified before starting the next management stage. So, detailed business case is verified at the end of each of the management stages based on the scenario of the project at that stage. At the end of each stage, as defined in the business case, the benefits are checked and confirmed before moving to the next stage. At the end of the project, all the benefits created during the projects are consolidated and confirmed in relation or comparing to the business case what is actually defined as part of business case. At the end of the project, all the benefits which are created throughout the project life cycle are checked in consolidation and confirmed before the completion of the project. Benefit management approach. The purpose of benefit management approach is to define the management actions that will be put in place to ensure that the project's outcomes are achieved and confirm that project benefits are realized. Benefit management approach captures the scope, the details of who is accountable for expected benefits, what management actions are required, how to measure achievement of unexpected benefits, what resources are needed, baseline measures from which the improvements are calculated, how the performance of the projects will be reviewed. Just to summarize, as part of this module, we understood the purpose of business case theme, the products which are developed as part of business case theme, that is business case and benefit management approach, and contents of business case as well as benefit management approach. We also looked at what stage the business cases are created during the project life cycle and how the business case is maintained and verified throughout the project life cycle. In the next module, we are going to look at organization theme. Hope to see you there.